Open the glove box.
Remove the damper arm.
Push in on both sides of the glove box to release the stops. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the filter tray. Remove the filter from the tray. Install your new filter into the tray.
Our filters will use what is called an airflow indicating arrow, which should be pointed down.
Insert the tray into the housing and clip the housing panel back on. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops.
Reinstall the damper arm.
Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.